Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad. In today's video I'm going to show you step by step how to purchase Shopify Plan. If you are a beginner or a dropshipper or you have a physical businesses, just follow these all steps to get access to Shopify 3 months at only $1. As you see guys, make sure to finish this video until the end, then you will get the free 3 months Shopify account. As you see guys, it's very easy, so let's get started. First guys, of course you have already created your account. Then guys, on your dashboard Shopify account, just go to a left side and the bottom, click on settings, or you can go to this corner, just select a plan. Just go on settings and the left side, then hit on settings. Then guys, it's very easy, just make sure to click on plan, and the second one on the left side, hit on plan. And guys, this is choose plan, then click on choose plan. As you see guys, this is a bunch of different Shopify account. This is the basic one, the Shopify Advanced and Plus. As you see guys, basic Shopify Advanced, it's only $1, but the last one it's $2,300. As you see guys, for a beginner or you are a dropshipper, I prefer to choose the first one, the basic one, then hit on select basic. As you see guys, there is two options payment method. The first one with credit card or PayPal. If you have a PayPal account, you can link your account with Shopify to pay $1. Only $1 guys. It's very cheap account. 3-month drop shipping or 3-month businesses, only $1. Then guys, after 3 months, I think it's only $12 for a month. Then guys, for me, I always selected credit debit card. Then hit your name, last name, card number and addresses, and make sure to add your country, then postal code. Then on the left side, hit on subscribe. Then automatically you will get 3 months free 3-month Shopify account with only $1. As you see guys, this is the only method and the easiest method to buy a plan on Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.